Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guys, this is video 6 of our MongoDB series, and in this video we are gonna see how to update the collections which are already available in our MongoShell database, as well as we are gonna see how to replace those collections. So let us not waste our time, let's dive into our topic. So guys, before that, if you have not subscribed the channel, please do subscribe the channel and do encourage me to make more videos like this. And guys, I have created some services for you all. You can check out this particular page. I'll be providing this page link in this video description. You can check out this and you can personally connect to me from any of those services. So let's not waste our time. Let's open our command prompt now. Just Windows plus R and you will get the CMD. If CMD is not available, just type CMD, enter. So now we are at our command prompt. Let me maximize the screen and let us just type MongoSH to activate the MongoShell. Okay, so the MongoShell is activated. So always it is a good way to check the databases which are available. Show DBS, enter. So these all are the databases available. So if you check out my previous videos in the playlist, if you have watched, you might already know that we were using test YT database. At present we are at test database. So let us just switch, use test YT. So we will be switching to our test YT database. So guys, previously we were saying db dot find. So we'll see previously whichever collections we have inserted, are they available or not. So all these collections are available, guys. So in this there are nearly 1 2 3 4 5 6 collections are available. What we'll do is we'll try to now first use update method. So guys, there are two ways to update any collections. I'll just show you one after another now. First will be update one. For that, what you will be doing is db dot so collection name dot. So we'll be using update. First we will try to update one collection, then I will show you all how to update many collections. Update capital O, update 1, open bracket, open brace. So now what we will be doing is we will be giving we'll update the name itself, name. So name is there, and we'll update the first collection itself. So first collection name was Subhash. So we'll just close this brace now, comma. Now for updating we have to use a function called $set. Don't worry, we'll discuss about all these aggregation pipelines and functions in the upcoming videos. Don't think about this a bit now. Set, open bracket. Now we will be giving again the name as, we'll be updating the name as SK. I have a reason why I am updating it to SK. I'll tell you, SKK. So you can see here these two collections already have the name called SKK. So I'm updating the same name. I'll tell you why I am updating this. Okay. So now close the braces, close this, enter. So you can see here, guys, acknowledge is true and matched column 1 and modified column 1. Let us check out whether it is updated or not. So guys, you can see here it is updated to SKK, and here also you can see that it is updated to, it was Subhash previously, now it is updated to SKK. Using this update one method, you can easily update any collection using the object ID or anything of your choice. With the help of that, you can easily modify the name or else anything, like for that particular key you can modify the value pairs. You are getting my point? So if you have watched my dictionary concepts of Python, you might easily understand about keys and value pairs. So now let us see update many, how to do update multiple functions. So you can see here also SKK is present, here also SKK is present. So what we will be doing is we will be using the same function, and instead of update 1 I'll be replacing it with many, many. So guys, remember one more thing, in update 1 O should be a capital letter, and in update many M should be capital letter. It will throw you error or else. So now the name is changed, right? So it is SKK. So we will update this back to Subhash. SUBASH. Okay, fine. So guys, does anyone have any idea what it is going to do? Just pause the video and comment below before seeing the answer. Okay, now let us execute this query and see what happens when we use update many. So you can see here it has updated 4 columns. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, even this column was having SKK. So it updated the 4 columns. Now let us see what happened. Let us use the find function. Now you can see here even Subhash is changed here. Here also Subhash. Here also Subhash. Subhash. So the name has been changed. So update 1 will only update any one column which has SKK. So previously when we tried to update, I guess at that time also it was present. Yeah, you can see here, even here SKK was present, here also, here, everywhere. And we used update 1 and it only replaced one particular collection. But when we used update many, it replaced all the collections which contain that particular name. You are getting my point? So this is the use of update many. You can even update multiple keys and value pairs also. I would recommend you all to try it. It will be a task for you all. So this is how you can update one collection or many collection. And there is another method called replace. Now I'll discuss about replace to you all. So replace is nothing but if you want to replace the entire collection key and value pairs, you can use that particular replace function. We will try that also with an example. So we have already changed this particular Subhash, right? So we'll try to replace this only directly. We'll try to entirely replace the name and this. I'll just replace and I'll tell you what we are gonna do now. So db.comp is the collection name dot replace, replace capital O, replace 1 bracket capital. Okay, now you don't need to do anything because it will automatically replace the first collection. So you don't need to give any object ID here. If you are going to replace the in between collection, then just please provide the object ID. Now I am directly going to replace the first collection, so I don't need to provide anything in this particular flower braces. Directly open brace, close brace, comma. And now again when we come to this particular collection, now here we have to type what we want to replace. So we'll be typing here. If you want to replace everything, you can do that, or else if you want to replace the particular name itself also, you can do that using this. Now here you can give name and we can give here Subhash. So the person whose name contains with Subhash, I want to replace is particular document. So I'll give here name now as SKK because SKK is completely replaced. So we'll just give that, comma, subject. Let us give subject as PY. I guess that's enough for replacing. Let us close the brace, close this, enter. So it replaced the first one, I guess. Now let us run this find and see. So guys, you can see here that particularly previously we were having Subhash and subject and marks, but when I again replaced it, it only gave me name and subject. It is replacing the entire collection of the particular collections which are available in that particular object ID. And remember one thing guys, if we use update method, there is a chance of getting the object ID changed, but if we use replace method, the object ID will not change. In that same object ID, we will be replacing the collections which are available. You are getting my point? Don't worry guys, just personally try it out. You will easily understand about this particular topic. So guys, that's all for today's video. Do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you all. Bye bye.